nature that is you, me, and us, brought to you by the Knowing Nature Project Anthropology 525 Ethnoecology course at the University of South Carolina, Columbia. As part of this course, I was engaged in observing a small plot of land in the university campus located at AC Moore Garden. Through this video, I attempt to link the traditional ecological knowledge of some indigenous groups in North America and in India through their knowledge and uses of common plants. The video will show how native worldviews are often similar in many aspects. Nature is all around us and we are embedded in nature, but our worldview determines our behavior in and our relationship to nature. Worldview structure draws from religious and philosophical structures we grow in and in turn affect our environmental ethics. Worldview structures are less formalized than religion and philosophy and are rather embedded in multiple structures. Native people have different worldviews in comparison to Western societies and other modern societies. Many indigenous people view humans as part of nature and not separate from it. They view the plants, the animals, and all the other biophysical elements of the ecosystem as their relatives. Indigenous people are affected by their kin in the natural system and are in turn influenced by them. This is known as the kin-centric ecology. Traditional ecological knowledge, also known as local ecological knowledge or indigenous knowledge, is a cumulative body of knowledge, practice, and belief evolving by adaptive processes and handed down through generations by cultural transmission. Ethnoecology is the way in which people understand and participate in human, plant, animal, natural interactions. Ethnoecological methods are critical for solving today's ecological problems because they incorporate traditional knowledge and developed over time through society's interactions with the natural environment. Ethnobotanical knowledge in traditional societies has co-evolved through nature-society interactions at the local level. Many plants have common uses in traditional societies even though they are separated by geographic distances. For example, American marsh pennywort, known as Mahagotukla in India, is used for treatment of leprosy and tuberculosis, and in relieving pain in rheumatism and arthritis. Similarly, common self-heal is used in the treatment of diarrhea, sore mouth and throat, internal bleeding, and weaknesses of the liver and heart. Garlic mustard is used in the treatment of gangrene and ulcers. Rich in vitamin A and C, it can also be used as garlic-flavored herb. In native worldview, elements of nature such as plants and animals and landforms are regarded as sacred. For example, the mushroom Epiphyllus odorous is used as a component of sacred objects and symbol of spiritual power in Native American cultures. The world is mysterious and incomprehensible in indigenous views. This viewpoint teaches us many things and instills humility. In indigenous views, knowledge resides in the world and it comes to people and is not just contained in the human mind. Like lost sounds, prayers, or dances, they are all modes of knowledge transmission. Nature is respected and sacred for many indigenous communities. For example, in the Himalayas, mountains and passes are sacred places, just like the sacred sites for Native American Indians. The Blake Mesa in the Hopi Reservation in Arizona is a sacred site. Traditional knowledge systems and indigenous rights are recognized in many academic disciplines as well as international scientific and cultural institutions such as the UNESCO, the UN, and Convention for Biological Diversity. Traditional ecological knowledge and native worldview about nature is also important for conservation of biodiversity.